Which Middle Eastern country was ruled by the Shah before 1979? Iran. Who led the 1979 Iranian Revolution? Ayatollah Khomeini. Which African country was formerly ruled by Emperor Haile Selassie? Ethiopia. Who was the fascist dictator of Spain from 1939 to 1975? Francisco Franco. What agreement was signed by Chamberlain to appease Hitler in 1938? Munich Agreement. Which treaty in 1920 dealt with the Ottoman Empire's territories? Treaty of Sèvres. Who led the Bolshevik Party during the Russian Revolution? Vladimir Lenin. What policy did the US use to provide aid to Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What major construction project was completed in Egypt in 1970? Aswan High Dam. Which Indian leader promoted the non-aligned movement? Jawaharlal Nehru. What year did the United Nations officially form? In the year 1945. Which French leader was a central figure during World War II and later president? Charles de Gaulle. What was the military strategy used by Germany in World War II called? Blitzkrieg. Who led China's communist revolution? Mao Zedong. Which war ended with the Treaty of Paris in 1783? American Revolutionary War. Who was assassinated in Sarajevo in 1914 sparking World War I? Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Which US space mission first landed humans on the moon? Apollo 11. What was the codename for the Normandy landings? Operation Overlord. Which US president served the longest time in office? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Which nation suffered a major famine known as the Holodomor? Ukraine. Who led the Indian independence movement through nonviolence? Mahatma Gandhi. What empire did Genghis Khan establish? Mongol Empire. Which document announced American independence? Declaration of Independence. What wall divided Berlin from 1961 to 1989? Berlin Wall. Which empire was ruled by emperors known as Caesars? Roman Empire. What policy did the US adopt to prevent the spread of communism? Containment. What war followed the partition of British India in 1947? Indo-Pakistani War. Who was the British Prime Minister during World War I? David Lloyd George. Which battle marked Napoleon's final defeat? Battle of Waterloo. What event is known as Kristallnacht? The Night of Broken Glass. What organization was founded in 1949 to promote global health? World Health Organization. Who was known as the Iron Chancellor of Germany? Otto von Bismarck. What Japanese city was destroyed by the first atomic bomb? Hiroshima. Which treaty ended the 30 Years' War? Treaty of Westphalia. What empire fell in 476 AD? Western Roman Empire. What event marked the start of the Great Depression? Stock market crash of 1929. Who was the founder of modern nursing? Florence Nightingale. Who was the US president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. What was the name of the ship that brought the Pilgrims to America? Mayflower. Which battle is considered the turning point of the American Civil War? Battle of Gettysburg. What was the Nazi secret police called? Gestapo. Which Indian leader was assassinated in 1984? Indira Gandhi. Who led the US civil rights movement with peaceful protests? Martin Luther King Jr. Which country launched the first satellite into space? Soviet Union. What treaty ended the Franco-Prussian War? Treaty of Frankfurt. Which explorer discovered the Americas in 1492? Christopher Columbus. What conflict was fought between the North and South in the US? American Civil War. What empire was ruled by sultans? Ottoman Empire. What was the US policy to rebuild Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. What economic system did Karl Marx critique? Capitalism. Who was known as the Desert Fox in World War II? Erwin Rommel. Which event led to US entry into World War II? Attack on Pearl Harbor. What ancient civilization used cuneiform writing? Sumerians. What country built the Maginot Line? France. What dynasty ruled China before the Republic? Qing Dynasty. Who led Britain through much of World War II? Winston Churchill. What ancient war was fought between Athens and Sparta? Peloponnesian War. What is the name of the infamous Nazi concentration camp? Auschwitz. What was the capital of ancient Egypt? Thebes. Which civilization is credited with inventing democracy? Ancient Greece. Which empire was founded by Cyrus the Great? Persian Empire. Which US president declared the end of US involvement in Vietnam? Richard Nixon. Which African country gained independence from Portugal in 1975? Angola. Which battle ended Napoleon's rule in France? Battle of Waterloo. What French prison was stormed in 1789? Bastille. Who discovered America for Spain? Christopher Columbus. What event is considered the beginning of the French Revolution? Storming of the Bastille. Who wrote the US Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Which war occurred between 1914 and 1918? World War I. What global conflict followed World War I? What was Hitler's plan for Jewish extermination called? The Final Solution. Which 1948 plan gave US aid to European nations? Marshall Plan. Which country experienced the Great Leap Forward? China. What year did the Titanic sink? In the year 1912. What battle began the American Revolutionary War? Battle of Lexington and Concord. What was the first permanent English colony in America? Jamestown. Who was the Queen of France during the French Revolution? Marie Antoinette. What US act outlawed racial segregation? Civil Rights Act of 1964. Which document limits the power of the English monarchy? Magna Carta. What war did the Treaty of Ghent end? War of 1812. Who led the independence movement in Venezuela? Simon Bolivar. Who was the famous nurse during the Crimean War? Florence Nightingale. What explorer circumnavigated the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. Which US president purchased Louisiana? Thomas Jefferson. What event started in 1848 and spread across Europe? Revolutions of 1848. What island was Napoleon exiled to after Waterloo? St. Helena. Who ruled the Aztec Empire at the time of Spanish conquest? Montezuma II. What war saw the use of trench warfare and poison gas? World War I. What British law imposed taxes on American colonies? Stamp Act. What ship sank in 1915, swaying US opinion in World War I? Lusitania. Who unified Germany in the 19th century? Otto von Bismarck. Who became the first emperor of unified China? Qin Shi Huang. Who led the Bolsheviks in the October Revolution of 1917? Vladimir Lenin. What was the Cold War conflict that split Korea into North and South? Korean War. Which Soviet satellite started the space race in 1957? Sputnik. Which war was fought between 1955 and 1975 involving the US and Vietnam? Vietnam War. What major world event began on September 1, 1939? World War II. Which US civil rights leader delivered the "I Have a Dream" speech? Martin Luther King Jr. Which European country was divided and then reunified in 1990? Germany. What was the US strategy to stop the spread of communism in Asia? Domino theory. Who was the Prime Minister of the UK during the Falklands War? Margaret Thatcher. Which African country did Italy invade in 1935? Ethiopia. Who wrote The Wealth of Nations? Adam Smith. What 1950 conflict divided Vietnam along the 17th parallel? Geneva Accords. Which French colony fought a war of independence from 1954 to 1962? Algeria. Which war did the US enter after the attack on Pearl Harbor? World War II. What 1917 promise by Germany led the US closer to World War I? Zimmermann Telegram. Which US president ended the Cold War arms race with the USSR? Ronald Reagan. What peace agreement attempted to end the Vietnam War in 1973? Paris Peace Accords. What US scandal led to President Nixon's resignation? Watergate. Who ruled China during the Tiananmen Square protests of 1989? Deng Xiaoping. Which African country experienced a genocide between Hutu and Tutsi? Rwanda. Who was the monarch during the Spanish Armada's defeat in 1588? Queen Elizabeth I. Which British colony gained independence and became Pakistan? India. What was the political barrier separating Eastern and Western Europe? Iron Curtain. Which Middle Eastern country was created in 1948? Israel. Which American president delivered the Emancipation Proclamation? Abraham Lincoln. Who led the anti-apartheid movement in South Africa? Nelson Mandela. What term describes Hitler's lightning warfare? Blitzkrieg. Who was the founder of the fascist party in Italy? Benito Mussolini. What US document was signed in 1787? The Constitution. Which war was sparked by Germany's invasion of Poland? World War II. Who was the British wartime leader known for inspiring resistance? Winston Churchill. What major US event occurred on October 29, 1929? Stock market crash. Which US president served during most of World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. What was the long conflict between Israel and Palestine starting in the 20th century? Arab-Israeli conflict. What was the movement to establish a Jewish homeland called? Zionism. Which military alliance was established in 1949 by Western nations? NATO. Which treaty officially ended World War I? Treaty of Versailles. What was Germany's plan for a quick defeat of France in World War I? Schlieffen Plan. What is the term for mass murder of Jews during World War II? The Holocaust. Who was the Emperor of Japan during World War II? Hirohito. What 1960 event led to 17 African nations gaining independence? Year of Africa. What country experienced a communist revolution in 1949? China. What was the codename for the US atomic bomb project? Manhattan Project. Who was assassinated in Dallas, Texas, in 1963? John F. Kennedy. What was the first successful English settlement in America? Jamestown. What revolution ended the Romanov dynasty in Russia? Russian Revolution. Who led the revolution against Batista in Cuba? Fidel Castro. Which war was known as the Great War? World War I. What 1980 scandal involved arms sales to Iran? Iran-Contra affair. Who was the last pharaoh of ancient Egypt? Cleopatra. What 20th century movement aimed to end racial segregation in the US? Civil rights movement. Who was the US general who became president after World War II? Dwight D. Eisenhower. Which country colonized the Congo under King Leopold II? Belgium. What movement led to the breakup of Yugoslavia? Ethnic nationalism. What conflict occurred in Korea in the early 1950s? Korean War. Who became the first woman to lead a Muslim-majority country? Benazir Bhutto. Which European country faced a civil war from 1936 to 1939? Spain. Who was the communist leader of Yugoslavia during the Cold War? Josip Broz Tito. What US law abolished slavery in 1865? 13th Amendment. What year was the United Nations established? In the year 1945. What US ship exploded in Havana Harbor, triggering the Spanish-American War? Asmene. Who was the Persian leader who invaded Greece in 480 BC? Xerxes I. Which war was fought over US expansion into Mexican territory? Mexican-American War. What early 20th century movement aimed at modernizing China? May 4th movement. What Roman general became dictator and was later assassinated? Julius Caesar. Which Soviet satellite launched the space age? Sputnik. Who was the leader of Iran after the 1979 Islamic Revolution? Ayatollah Khomeini. Which African country was never colonized by a European power? Ethiopia. What series of wars were fought over control of the Holy Land? Crusades. Who led the US through the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Which war saw the use of mustard gas and trenches? World War I. Which US president desegregated the military? Harry S. Truman. What 1990 conflict involved genocide in the Balkans? Bosnian War. Who was the founder of modern Turkey? Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. What was the policy of racial separation in South Africa? Apartheid. Which island did Napoleon Bonaparte die on? St. Helena. Which ancient city was buried by a volcanic eruption in 79 AD? Pompeii. Who was the leader of the Chinese nationalists? Chiang Kai-shek. What was the primary goal of the Crusades? To capture Jerusalem from Muslims. What was the Enlightenment? An intellectual movement emphasizing reason. What term refers to the 1930 US economic collapse? Great Depression. What caused the Black Death in the 14th century? Bubonic plague. Which battle marked the end of Napoleonic Wars? Battle of Waterloo. Which Chinese leader initiated the Cultural Revolution? Mao Zedong. What was the name of the peace treaty signed between Egypt and Israel in 1979? Camp David Accords. What major wall was built by China to defend against northern invasions? The Great Wall of China. Which US president issued the Monroe Doctrine? James Monroe. Who was the German chancellor responsible for reunification in 1990? Helmut Kohl. What was the name of the ship on which the Pilgrims sailed to America? Mayflower. Which war was triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand? World War I. Who was the military dictator of Chile from 1973 to 1990? Augusto Pinochet. What was the name of the 1962 confrontation between the US and the USSR over missiles? Cuban Missile Crisis. What major reform did Gorbachev introduce in the Soviet Union meaning? Openness. Glasnost. What massive state-led program did Stalin implement in agriculture? Collectivization. Which leader introduced economic liberalization in India in the 1990s? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Who was the first emperor of a unified Germany in 1871? Wilhelm I. What term describes Hitler's rule from 1933 to 1945? Third Reich. What global organization was created after World War I to maintain peace? League of Nations. Which French revolutionary document declared the rights of man? Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. What was the goal of the Marshall Plan? Rebuilding Europe after World War II. Which US president abolished slavery with the Emancipation Proclamation? Abraham Lincoln. What period of intellectual and cultural revival occurred in 14th-17th century Europe? Renaissance. Which war was fought between Athens and Sparta in ancient Greece? Peloponnesian War. What was the codename for the Allied invasion of Nazi-occupied France? Operation Overlord. Which Soviet leader was responsible for the Great Purge? Joseph Stalin. What was the American policy to contain Soviet influence during the Cold War? Truman Doctrine. Which Asian empire was known for samurai warriors? Japanese Empire. Which country was led by Ho Chi Minh during the Vietnam War? North Vietnam. Which document established the first democratic government in America? Mayflower Compact. Who was known as the father of the nation in South Africa? Nelson Mandela. What policy in China limited families to having one child policy? Which US president declared a war on terror? George W. Bush. Who was the queen who ruled England during its golden age? Elizabeth I. What was the ancient system of land ownership in medieval Europe? Feudalism. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? Michelangelo. Which two cities were bombed with atomic weapons in 1945? Hiroshima and Nagasaki. What was the battle that ended the Napoleonic Wars? Battle of Waterloo. Which British explorer was the first European to map Australia's eastern coast? James Cook. What was the original purpose of the United Nations? To promote international peace and security. Who was the founder of the Chinese Republic in 1912? Sun Yat-sen. What was the economic system where trade and industry are controlled by private owners? Capitalism. What name was given to Hitler's failed attempt to overthrow the German government in 1923? Beer Hall Putsch. Which German city was divided after World War II and became a symbol of the Cold War? Berlin. What was the trail used by North Vietnamese forces to transport supplies? Ho Chi Minh Trail. Who developed the laws of motion and gravity? Isaac Newton. What is the name of the political philosophy advocating class struggle? Marxism. Which empire constructed the Hagia Sophia in Constantinople? Byzantine Empire. What was the movement for independence from colonial rule in Africa called? Decolonization. Who led the Cuban Revolution in 1959? Fidel Castro. What term refers to the killing of a large group based on ethnicity or religion? Genocide. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? Margaret Thatcher. What 20th century agreement divided the Middle East between Britain and France? Sykes-Picot Agreement. Which event led to the US joining World War I? Sinking of the Lusitania. What plan did the Nazis implement to eliminate Europe's Jews? The Final Solution. What was the economic alliance of communist countries during the Cold War? Comecon. Which battle is known as the turning point on the Eastern Front in World War II? Battle of Stalingrad. What was the alliance of Germany, Italy, and Japan during World War II called? Axis powers. Which movement fought against racial segregation in the US? Civil rights movement. Who was assassinated in 1968, shocking the US civil rights community? Martin Luther King Jr. What organization was established in 1945 to maintain peace and cooperation? United Nations. Who was the first US president? George Washington. Which agreement in 1978 normalized relations between Egypt and Israel? Camp David Accords. What treaty officially ended World War II in Europe? German Instrument of Surrender. What medieval disease killed millions in Europe? The Black Death. What document signed in 1215 limited the English monarch's power? Magna Carta. Which explorer's crew was the first to sail around the world? Ferdinand Magellan. Which invention revolutionized communication in the 15th century? Printing press. Who was the founding father of Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. What battle marked the start of the American Revolution? Battle of Lexington and Concord. Who built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Who was the longest reigning British monarch before Queen Elizabeth II? Queen Victoria. What conflict ended with the Treaty of Versailles? World War I. Who led France during the Reign of Terror? Maximilien Robespierre. Which ship's sinking triggered US involvement in World War I? Lusitania. What was the ideology of Italian dictator Benito Mussolini? Fascism. Which treaty in 1992 established the European Union? Maastricht Treaty. Who led the US through the Great Depression and most of World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. What Cold War structure fell in 1989 symbolizing the end of division? Berlin Wall. What was the naval invasion of Cuba by US-backed exiles in 1961? Bay of Pigs invasion. Which US president negotiated the Camp David Accords? Jimmy Carter. What was the Soviet policy of restructuring the economy? Perestroika. Who founded Microsoft and changed modern computing? Bill Gates. Which empire ruled much of Europe before being dissolved in 1806? Holy Roman Empire. Who was known as the Iron Lady? Margaret Thatcher. Which treaty ended the American Revolutionary War? Treaty of Paris, 1783. What agreement split Vietnam at the 17th parallel in 1954? Geneva Accords. What movement in 1517 challenged the authority of the Catholic Church? The Protestant Reformation. Who was the Polish astronomer who proposed the heliocentric theory? Nicolaus Copernicus. Which Roman emperor converted to Christianity and made it legal? Constantine the Great. What Chinese dynasty built much of the Great Wall? Ming Dynasty. Who was the first African American president of the United States? Barack Obama. Which English king had 6 wives and created the Church of England? Henry VIII. What 17th century event led to constitutional monarchy in England? The Glorious Revolution. Who was the leader of the nationalist forces in Spain's Civil War? Francisco Franco. What treaty ended the War of Spanish Succession in 1713? Treaty of Utrecht. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What was the system of racial segregation in the American South called? Jim Crow laws. Who was the Russian mystic who influenced the Romanovs? Rasputin. Which US general led the D-Day invasion of Normandy? Dwight D. Eisenhower. Who was the founder of Sikhism? Guru Nanak. Which war in the 19th century was fought over British trade in China? Opium War. Which Egyptian leader nationalized the Suez Canal in 1956? Jamal Abdel Nasser. What was the Nazi paramilitary organization called? SS Schutzstaffel. Who discovered America for Spain in 1492? Christopher Columbus. What law passed in 1935 restricted Jewish rights in Nazi Germany? Nuremberg Laws. Which war began in 1950 and never officially ended? Korean War. What famous speech begins with 7 years ago? Gettysburg Address. Which German philosopher wrote Thus Spoke Zarathustra? Friedrich Nietzsche. Which rebellion in 1857 challenged British rule in India? Sepoy Mutiny. What was the US program to develop the atomic bomb called? Manhattan Project. Which major event in 1789 began the French Revolution? Storming of the Bastille. Who was the first female Chancellor of Germany? Angela Merkel. What war was fought over the Falkland Islands in 1982? Falklands War. What is the oldest continuous civilization in the world? Chinese civilization. Who issued the Edict of Milan granting religious freedom in Rome? Constantine the Great. What British colony did Gandhi campaign to free? India. Who was the longest reigning monarch of France? Louis XIV. Which Soviet leader oversaw the Cuban Missile Crisis? Nikita Khrushchev. What European event inspired revolutions across Latin America? French Revolution. Which dynasty succeeded the Qin in China? Han Dynasty. What event marked the end of World War II in Europe? Germany's unconditional surrender. Who was executed during the English Civil War in 1649? King Charles I. What major world event was sparked by the assassination in Sarajevo in 1914? World War I. Which empire ruled India before British colonization? Mughal Empire. What was the German air attack on Britain during World War II called? The Blitz. What US president led during the Louisiana Purchase? Thomas Jefferson. Who wrote Das Kapital? Karl Marx.